Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today I am coming your way with another video. And in today's video I will be talking about how you can determine whether you are a disciplined trader or you are an emotional trader. So after watching this video, you should be able to define which type of trader you are. Without much talk, let's dive into today's video. Now, the first step in resolving any problem is to recognize it. Okay, you can start working on it once you have determined what it is. Now, repetition allows us to form new habits. Discipline is not something that can be taught. Okay, you are aware of what you are not supposed to do, so do the things that will position you for success. Stop reading trading psychology books to improve your discipline and start rather repeating the profitable routines you already know. If you are somebody and up to now you are still reading psychology books, you have still not been able to trade or to take trades or to believe in your setups, then you should know that you still have a problem. Is it a discipline problem or is it an emotional problem? So this video is going to expose you as to whether you are a disciplined trader or you are an emotional trader. So guys, first of all, let's look at who an emotional trader is, or what qualities or what factors or what ideologies qualify someone as an emotional trader. Let's dive in. All right, so the following qualities are seen in people who trade with emotion. The first quality is that they don't have confidence in their system. Okay, the system they are using to trade, the formula they are using to trade, the strategy they are using to trade, they don't have confidence in it. They still doubt its ability to play out as they have learned. Okay, so when you are having low confidence in your system, then you should know that you are an emotional trader. Number two, they always want to take trade every day. So if you are somebody who needs to, or you are feeling for the need to be taking trade every day, then note that you are an emotional trader, no doubt about that. Point number three, or factor number three that makes somebody an emotional trader, is that that person does not follow a trading plan. So if you are somebody who doesn't follow a trading plan, you are an emotional trader. All traders that trade anyhow, without any proper plan, without following any set of rules, you are an emotional trader. That is point number, or factor number number three. Factor number four, needing to always be right. I've always been saying this even during the training, that you don't need to be 100%. Some of you, when you lose trade, then you come to my DM, this trade, I saw this, I saw that, but still the trade went against me. Yes, it's part of the business. You don't need to always be right. Even I, who is teaching you, that you think I know it better than you, I still lose trades. I lose trades. It might not be frequent, but I still do lose trade once in a while. Okay, so needing to always be right about every setup shows you are trading with emotion. Because of that, once you lose 1, 2, 3, 4, you are down. You feel like your trading is still not working, your confidence become low, you are an what? Emotional trader. The next factor is revenge trading. Okay, revenge trading. If you are somebody who always want to revenge the market, you want to show the market that you took money from me, I must also take money from you, you are an emotional trader. Okay, since I'll be coming to discipline trader, I don't mention anything to divert from the emotional trader. Okay, so an emotional trader always want to counter trades, okay, or to take revenge trades, and at the end of the day you end up losing that trade again, because you are not thinking straight, you are not planning properly before taking that trade. You are just taking that trade to teach the market that you can also beat it, but the market is smarter than you. All right, the market is the one that tells you what you should trade, and not you trading by your feeling. All right, so emotional traders always do what we call revenge trading. Then the next factor is being sad when you are down. Okay, being sad when you are down. Once your trade goes into loss, your mood change, you become sad, you become bored, your mood swings. Okay, once you are experiencing that, you should know that you are an emotional trader. You are still not in the among the brave traders who nothing concerns them. Okay, I was once an emotional trader, I always tell you guys, but these days I trade, and even I forget that I'm trading, because I just put in my trade, set my stop loss, set my TP, set my partial TP for the positions I want them to close at certain points. I set them those I want them to run fully. I also set their TP. I put my phone somewhere, I allow the chart to play, I don't go checking the chart. Look, if you do that, you end up being sad when your trade is in loss. Okay, and that brings me to the next factor, being happy whenever you are in profit. Once your trade is in profit, then you are so happy, overjoyed. You are an emotional trader, you are not a professional. You have not become a professional trader, you have not become part of the family of traders here. You are somebody who is just in for the blues and profit, and like always you want to be there, you want to be up there. Okay, yes, it's good to aspire, but once you are becoming so excited about trading, it means emotions are setting in, so you need to control them. So that is the next factor. So that is the next factor. Now let's look at another factor that shows that you are an emotional trader, and that factor is chasing price. Okay, you are just jumping, or others will call it FOMO. Okay, that is fear of missing out, because if there are many factors, but these are few that I'll be talking about. Okay, so price, you came to the chart and you realize, oh, price didn't get to your zone, but price have started falling, or price didn't get to your zone, but price have started buying. So you just jump in, you'll be like, oh, it has missed my zone. No, price has to do its own thing. It is not a linear motion. Price doesn't move in a linear direction, doesn't move straight. Okay, price has to do its movements. Okay, it goes, comes, okay, all the movements that are supposed to be there. Okay, the minor structure, the major structure, all those things has to be in play. They have to play. It is the habit of the market, it is the skeletal formation of the market. They need to play out, so you have to allow them. You don't need to chase price, allow price to come to you. The price market has left blueprints, okay, in the blueprints for you to follow. So just follow the blueprints, don't go doing your own stuff. All right, don't go doing your own stuff, otherwise guys, you always be an emotional trader and you cannot be successful. The last factor I want to talk about is overtrading. Okay, you should always have a target. So if you are somebody that doesn't have a target, you just trade. Once you see trade, you trade. Once you see setup, you trade. Once you see setup, you trade. I always tell you, like yesterday when I was doing live session with you guys, I told you that the whole week I took few trades. There are sometimes in a week I take only one trade. There are sometimes two, maximum three. Okay, for instance, after yesterday's setup, I only allow it to run into today, and it has hit my final TP today. If you remember the live session we had, the setup I showed you. Okay, I have a whole lot of setups, but it's not all the setups I trade, because I wasn't trading with emotions. I'm only trading high probability setups. Okay, so emotional traders want to trade everything they see on the price chart, and that is over trading. So you don't need to do over trading. So if you guys are enjoying this presentation or this lesson up to this point, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification icon, because you'll be releasing more of these stuffs to keep you on your toes to become one of the top traders in Ghana and other parts of the world that you are watching me from. So let's now look at who a disciplined trader is. Who is a disciplined trader? All right. So now, the following factors qualify a person to be a disciplined trader. All right. Factor number 1, they never overtrade. They don't revenge trade. Okay, so during the emotional trade, when I was describing an emotional trader, I said these guys overtrade. They do what we call revenge trading. But when you take a disciplined trader, once he loses trade, look, it's done for the day. He is gone. It's a loss. It's part of the business. He keep track of that loss, why he lost the trade, and he's gone. He goes to relax himself somewhere, stay away from the chart. He walk away. Okay, and he doesn't overtrade. It's not every setup that disciplined traders want to trade. Okay, they don't just stand up and trade every setup. No, they are disciplined, and they don't trade every pair. Let me add this. One person, you are trading 100 pairs. Just concentrate on one or maximum 3 pairs. Okay, master the art of trading them and become consistent with them, and that will make you very, 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 very profitable in the market. And these people have full confidence in their system or trading style. Disciplined traders always have full confidence in their trading styles or system. So okay, I'm looking for liquidity before to be taken out. Okay, so the buy side liquidity to be taken out before I look out for change of character on the lower time frame. And when I see change of character, if it is a single candle confirmation, I make entry without IDM. If it's not a single candle confirmation, I have to look out for IDM before I make. Like, you have a system, so you have to follow the system. So disciplined traders make sure their system is being followed, so they have full confidence in it. And when they lose trade using their system, they know that, well, I've seen that this is a correct loss, okay, or market loss. All right, because every parameter played out, so they are confident. Because of that, when they see a setup, they take it without thinking twice, because I've seen all the things that I need to confirm, so I can take this setup without any issue, and they are so confident in their setup. Okay, so that is factor number 2. So let's look at the next factor. That is, they follow a trading plan. Okay, they have a plan. Okay, when trading, I need to see A, B, C, and D. Okay, I will trade only during New York session, or I'll trade during only London session, or I'll only trade during Asian session. Okay, well, I'll trade only liquidity session liquidities, or I'll trade quarter liquidity, or I'll only trade daily liquidity. Like, you must have a plan. You must have a plan. All right, you must have a plan that you trade with. So disciplined traders always have trading plan. Okay, now one thing about them is whether they are winning or they are losing, they always have a plan they follow. Okay, they have their plan they follow. So as a disciplined trader, you should always follow your plan. Whether you lose 10 trades continuously, or you win 1,000 trades continuously, you must still follow your trading plan. It's very important, because consistency is key in everything. You must be consistent. Now, waiting for setup and not being triggered by large candles or movements is another trait of a disciplined trader. So disciplined traders, as I was saying, they don't just jump into trade because the trade didn't get to my zone and it starts going down. Yes, trade might not get to your zone and it will start going down, but before you know, it has pushed to your zone. See, the thing can move within a microsecond. Like, the market is volatile, so it can move up and down at any time, can do anything. All you need to do is to be a disciplined trader. Follow the steps, follow the rules. Okay, don't be triggered by the movement, the momentum in the market. You must make sure that what you are looking for is what you are seeing. All right. And once you see price print that thing, don't say I feel market should go like this. No, have confidence in your system and take your trade. That is a disciplined trader. Now, another thing about disciplined traders is that they are always willing to sit out sessions or days and not chasing price. As I said, okay, I explained it in the previous factor. So one thing that disciplined traders do is that they always want to wait for a session or sessions or even days just for their they are set up to to meet requirement before they take a trade. Very, very important. So if you are somebody that is just taking trades anyhow, up and down, here and there, left, right, center, back, meanwhile your setups don't meet requirement, then you are not a disciplined trader. We will categorize you under the emotional traders. All right. So what is the name? The last factor that we'll be looking at is that happiness and sadness coming from following or breaking your trade plan, not the dollar amount made or lost. I don't know if you get the point. Okay, let me put it this way. Always be happy or be sad, okay? Whether you break even on a trade or you lose a trade, as long as you are following your trading plan, that is all that matters. You are not happy or sad because of the money you lost or the money you won. You are rather happy or sad because either you followed your trade plan and it didn't play out the way you want it, okay, or you followed your trade plan and it played out the way you wanted it, okay. So that is the last factor we will look at. There are more of them, but these are the key ones that I want to bring to you people your notice today. And I'm sure that you guys love this particular lesson. Keep it up and give me thumbs up. That is, press the like button and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Join all our social media platforms, Telegram, WhatsApp, and follow the discussion on Telegram. It's very interesting. The page is so hot, okay? The page is hot. It's so hot. People are giving their opinions on the platform, so don't be left out. I'll see you in the next video. It's bye bye for now.